Hey everybody, welcome back to Sanctuaria's live cocktail of the day. I'm Andy Printy, and today we're going to go over a riff on a classic Negroni. We're going to start with the 1220 grape distilled gin from Four Hands Brewery. Kind of a nice light Americanized version of gin. We're going to do an ounce. Cool thing about Negronis is they are equal parts. Obviously switch it up for taste, but equal parts will do. Instead of our Campari, we're going to use Cappelletti. Cappelletti is a little bit more candied orange with a little bit more herbaceous qualities than Campari, a little less on the bitter side. Once again, an ounce, an actual ounce. And for our, instead of sweet vermouth, we're going to go to the Amaro category and use the Amaro de Etna. This has a little bit more of a chocolate-covered coffee, less sweet Montenegro kind of feel to it. Somewhat new to me. And 1 ounce. We're going to give this a nice stir. Again, just spirits. We want some dilution. We want to bring the temperature down just a little bit. So again, 20, 25 on the stirs. And generally a Negroni is served up. But we are dealing with some bigger profiles here, so we're going to pour it over a large rock. Left-handed, it would seem. And of course, the key to every great Negroni being the very large orange peel for aromatic value. Again, mention this video. You'll get this cocktail half off for the rest of the evening. We'll see you soon.